What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Got something coming from Kizer. Anything else in here? Nope, nothing else. So, I think, yeah, I actually already checked this one out, but I'll just go over. I'll open it back up just to make sure, just so you guys can see it again and all that type of stuff. This is going to be the fixed blade version of the Militaw. So, it's super dope to check that out. Is that the budget or the premium? Micarta handle, so it's budget. We'll check it out. We'll check it out. We'll check it out. Let's check this guy out real quick for you. This is the mini Militaw. Got the S45 VN blade, titanium, and the jungleware handle. Jungleware carbon fiber. We'll get it open and we'll check it out. They did have some cool stuff in here. Like, it was kind of cool. Like the hell. Oh, that goes to the actual knife. Like, they had some stickers and stuff like that. I bought one of these also already. Yeah, see, this got stickers. They got some other stuff. They got extra screws. All that type of goody. Let's close it up and not get that out, because that confetti, yeah, it's cool the first time, then it sucks after. So, I bought this knife and I threw the confetti crap away after. It drove me crazy. But this is the jungleware version. They have a lot of different versions out so far. The mini Militaw, just like budget-friendly versions, stuff like that too. This is the more premium. Come on, baby. It is a lot smaller than the full-size one, which I'm kind of debating on getting the full size. Getting rid of this, like the mini, because I like the mini, don't get me wrong, I really do, but I really freaking love the full size. And I'd rather spend a little extra, like give it a this and spend a little extra money on the full size. Again, it's all just preference. I just really like the full-size version of it. Got some stuff on the blade. It's not coming off, but that's alright, I guess. Get up, man. See, that's what I'm talking about. All this freaking confetti crap. Good Lord, Jane. There. Good Lord. So I really do like the way this one looks. This is my favorite one so far of the mini Militaws. I love the jungleware on it. Freaking, I was just very surprised by that. And then again, I may not get rid of it, and I may keep it just because I love the carbon fiber on it. So, it's up in the air. I might get rid of it. I might not. I don't know yet. But it's got a pretty decent front flipper on it. I will say I had to break mine in. It was not the easiest to front flip, but now mine definitely is. This one is not bad either now. I'm sure it's been broken quite a bit. Yeah, because I can usually, if I have problems with front flipping it like this, it usually just needs broken a little bit. But since I can do it like this pretty easy, it's not too bad. See? I still have some problems, but not too much. I know with the full-size version, I can flick it all day. Like, it's easy. Thumb hole, I do have some problems on the thumb hole for some reason. I don't know why. I think it's just because it's so small. And it also is hitting that frame lock right there. But it works though pretty well other than that though. You just gotta, I like to get my, I guess you could just do this, like get your finger pressed against the top of the thumb hole, or the finger hole. There you go. You just gotta give it a little flick at the same time. I do like to put my fingernail in there a little bit better. I get a better flick with that. Most of the time. Most of the time. But I don't know. I do like this knife though. I just wish it was just a hairball. I mean, like, of course it's the mini Militaw, duh. But I just wish it was a hairball bigger, just a smidge. I think it would have been the perfect knife for me because it's right in that. It's not big enough, but it's too. I don't know. It's just not big enough. It's a great size, just not big enough for the handle. Sorry, some goopy crap on here. It drives me crazy. I'm OCD with this type of crap, but that's alright though. Pocket clip is always nice. Love the pocket clip. It is skeletonized a little bit on the inside also. On the show side. But I did like the pocket clip though. Frame lock worked really well. Very, very smooth. Like, nice and quiet. I liked it. I really like this thing. Really nice little knife. But let's get to this thing right here. I've been wanting to check this out for a while now. Again, this is the Nitro V blade, black G10 with the micarta. You got your stickers, you got your little card right there too. Let's get this crap out of the way and let's see if I can actually open it. There we go. Oof, that's a little scary. A little scary, a little scary. I just really want to know if this is going to be as good as like the actual Militaw itself. So a lot of junk just thrown around in there. Get out my, see that confetti crap, it's too much. Too much. Alright, let's just put that back and you know, let's just be done. There you go. Let's get it out of the way. Good Lord. Alright, dude, I like that already. I like the way that feels. Oh, dude, you got two sets of jimping on there. Good. What the heck? So you got jimping right there. You got jimping down there. Dude, this thing's nice. So I don't know what you... I guess you could really do like a pinch grip type thing. I guess if you have a longer thumb, you'd be alright right there. I don't trust my thumb out that far. Because I can't really... Yeah, I don't know if I'd like that just for me because I have smaller hands. But the jimping is nice. Real nice. I like the handle. I do actually like the black G10. That's what it was, right? Black G10? No, I don't even remember what I said. Yeah, black G10 with the micarta. Like the tan micarta. I like the tan micarta. It's very nice. It reminds me of the smolt a little bit, like the handle. Obviously, it is a Militaw handle, obviously, as you can see. But it just kind of reminds me of the smolt, like with the G10 and then the micarta on the inside. So they go Nitro V Militaw. And then just Kizer on that side. Not bad though. Let's try the sheath out. Not bad, dude. I don't know, probably a Kydex or polymer sheath. Comes out with ease. Try it left-handed. Super easy. Shoots out. See if it's loose. So there's a little bit of rattle up and down. Not side to side really though. So it's in there pretty well. Sorry, I'm probably going to shake the camera a little bit. Sorry, it didn't really come out, didn't really move. Obviously, if I'm outside, I can probably flip it real hard, but I'm not going to do that. So it stayed in the sheath. Obviously, I like these clips right here too. About the normal little Kizer clip they use kind of on some of their knives, fixed blades. For me, I take these off right here just so I can fit my belt on there because I have a little bit bigger belt, a little wider. So that would be perfect for me. Honestly, I take this one out and that's it right now. That's all I really need to take out. But I like the clip. It's easily taken off and on. I do like, it is a little thicker. Don't get me wrong, it is a little thicker. So I do like the little bit thinner sheath sometime, or the clips. I do kind of like that, just depending on the knife. But I do like these right here. These are usually pretty nice. Nitro V, so this is very budget friendly. I believe it's under $100. Probably like $70, $80, probably, give or take. But it does feel really good in hand. It is full tang. Got a lanyard hole right there. Not too shabby though. I really like this. But that's all I really got on this. I'll probably do like a quick final review maybe on this. I'm not quite sure. I might do a final review. But I do like this. I want to carry it around to see how it feels. But like ergonomically, it does feel great in your hand. I'm really impressed with it. But that's all I got though. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, leave it down in the comment section. And if you liked the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks guys.